The Crease tool is a fantastic new innovation in Gravity Sketch SubD modeling. We developed it in order for our users to have the most input they could have on their surfaces. To begin, I'll intersect this surface with my GravSphere and press the blue button on my non-drawing hand. From here, I'm prompted with my traditional SubD menus, and I'll press the black button underneath the red button on my drawing hand with the paintbrush and hammer on it to get this menu. I'll go ahead and get Crease with my GravSphere. And using my trigger, I can select which lines become creased. I can add or take away with the click of my trigger on the dominant hand. Here, I can continue to edit just like normal.